He can't. That's right.
He can't turn that.
Yeah, keep coming, passenger. It's going to slip off again.
Just Jeep things, you know.
I can't get my leg up high enough. It's gonna go. That's almost better than me getting hit in the nuts.
If need be, I think my tree saver might be longer if it's not long enough.
Well, no, he can hook them together there. And now we can use, you want to use a soft shackle to the front of the winch for that?
Yeah.
All right.
This has been a very educational day, let me tell you. I've learned so much today about recovery.
Rich, you got more content than you bargained for. So much more. I can tell you, I did not see myself up a tree today. Scott, you can probably back out now. All right. And see, this is where my truck comes in handy. I just dropped the tailgate and still on the spare tire in the back and break it right here.
Yeah.
Works for me.
Don't you want to be right underneath it?
It won't matter. It'll drag it where it needs to be.
All right.
We just got to get it rigged.
Can you
Here,
flip the switch really quick?
Take this, I'll do all that.
To disengage.
Oh,
because
then yeah.
I'll unspool it out.
What do you want me to do right now?
Here's
Grab
soft
the
shackle.
hook. Grab the hook.
Is it engaged or disengaged?
Hold
on,
hold on.
The
Sheet?
the sleeve is hung behind the fairly. You done fucked up now because now you sucked it into the back.
Jesus
Can you
Christmas.
get a hold of it?
You just bump it the other way?
No, don't do anything. He's got it. Woo! Hold on. You're gonna have to give me another soft shackle because I won't be able to rig it. There it is. Chuck it.
You need another soft shackle?
I don't think so. I think
Okay.
that'll be good.
You're
Go ahead and
engaged
pull.
here too.
It's engaged?
Yeah.
Hold on.
It wants to pull her forward,
That's fine. I figured.
but she's in park.
It's fine. It's just gonna slide. You're not on pavement or anything.
Yep, that's working how we want it to.
Well, yeah, because this one's loose. Can that one come out yet? You need to go up more?
I think you have to twist it, like you have to spin it like a.
Go up into the Jeep if possible, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, go the other way.
Yeah, but you're not going to compress it that much.
We're not trying to compress it. You can lift the Jeep more.
I got you.
Yeah, it's around that thing for the quick disconnect.
Push it up, I just tried. You can turn the wheel and give you some gap on that, right? Ooh, my rock's good. Come on, right there.
Alright, hold on.
I think you can move the... Gotta go more? Oh, fuck.
One.
One.
Do you want to? This might be a stupid idea, but you want to try to lift that tire up? Oh, did you get it in? Okay.
I'm just gonna go back in.
Love when plans work the way they're supposed to.
Need more slack?
Nope. Coming to you.
The snow just adds to the amazingness of this.
It sure does. It makes it super majestic. It's like a magical unicorn.
Watch your head.
Oh my God.
The rock slipped out.
How are you getting down?
Gravity.
You just
pull her up?
just pull up and you can step on your winch or whatever. This should be video for sure.
That worked.
That won't.
See, Scott? The rock one on the side.
Oh yeah, it's like that.
She's loose.